Hey guys, it's Alfred Brown. Today I will be unboxing ZKTeco Smart Door Lock, that is AL-10B model. Here is the manual, and here is the template for the door. And here's all of the components for the door. And then here we have the other component for the installation. Here is the NFC card to unlock the door. And here we have a manual key for the unlock as well.
So here is the front view of the door. And here is the other. So this door uses a battery. So I'm just going to show you. Here is the battery, and in case the battery is dead, you can always replace it.
I'm going to show you how this device works. There are three major ways for you to unlock the door. One is the passcode. And the second method to unlock the door is your NFC card.
And then the third method is the manual key.
So that is all on AL-10B ZKTeco Smart Door Lock. This device is very affordable. You can drop a message in the comment section below or contact us via our various platforms.